A table saw machine is one of the most powerful and commonly used tools in woodworking. It is mainly used to cut wood accurately and efficiently. This machine is widely found in carpentry workshops, furniture factories, and construction sites. The most important part of the table saw is the circular saw blade. This blade is sharp and rotates at a very high speed to cut through wood. Different types of blades are used depending on the work, such as rough cutting or smooth finishing. The flat surface of the machine is called the tabletop. It supports the wood during cutting and helps maintain balance and accuracy. A clean and level tabletop ensures better cutting results. Next is the rip fence. The rip fence is placed parallel to the blade and helps guide the wood in a straight line. It is mainly used for cutting wood lengthwise. By adjusting the fence position, the width of the cut can be controlled precisely. Another important tool is the miter gauge. The miter gauge is used for crosscuts and angled cuts. It slides in a slot on the table and allows cutting at angles like 45 degrees or 90 degrees. Now let's talk about the working method. First, the wood piece is placed flat on the table. The fence or miter gauge is adjusted according to the required cut. Then the machine is switched on and the blade starts rotating. The wood is slowly pushed toward the blade with steady pressure. Hands should always stay at a safe distance from the blade.